Do you like walking on the beach? And when was the last time you enjoyed that? In this video I will tell you how you can enjoy all the benefits of barefoot walking all year, and you don't need to spend a lot of money to go on holidays. So if you are looking for barefoot shoes, you're at the right place, because a lot of people likes to walk barefoot, but they are afraid or they don't want to start because you look like a weirdo if you go barefoot in the shop and everybody is looking at you like you're a homeless person that can afford the shoes, or you can step on a glass, hurt yourself. And the worst thing is that you walk barefoot for 10 minutes, you have dirty feet like you walked all day in the grass. Yeah, it's not hygiene in today's world because it's not made to walk barefoot. Also, the materials are not so healthy. You need a solution for that, because barefoot walking is very healthy and it has few benefits. If you like walking on the beach, you can improve your strength because you need to activate more muscles, and that burn more calories. So you can lose weight also with walking barefoot on the beach. In the last 2 years I worked with physiotherapists, and we were developing the new styles of shoes for walking, and from 2015 I walk barefoot a lot. That's why I get into this spectre. In the last year we tested 22 people with plantar fascitis and platypus. So we have results after 1 month. The pain was gone. They got our flip-flop in the beginning, and they were wearing them for 2 minutes every day, then 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, then 2 hours, and all day at the end. And every day they signed the pain level, how they feel from 0 to 5. 5 was pain that you can't walk, and 0 is no pain, and normally from 4 went down to 0. So benefits of barefoot walking are kind of proven now. So our natural style of walking is walking on the front side of the feet. That's why today's industry is completely wrong, that are making huge soles that prevent you from stepping on the front side, but you need to step on the heel, and that's in fact your posture and knee and back. So a lot of problems and pain come from bad shoes, because the feet affects everything. In the next video we will invite physiotherapists that we work with to tell you more about the details. Part of this invention is also connected to Slovenian gem Bled. It's the most beautiful city in Slovenia, and 200 years ago a doctor from Switzerland, Arnold Trickley, brought wellness tourism to our city. So he was taking people to barefoot hikes, and they were sunbathing and consuming water, all natural aspects. So this is not a new method to heal body, but it's just returning to our origins. We only added this part of style and fashion, so you can look nice and get the benefits, because we don't want to go back to cave time. We still want to live with improvement and move forward, but in healthy and natural way. If you like idea of barefoot walking, if you are looking for barefoot shoes, if you understand all the benefits of barefoot walking, you can subscribe to our channel, like the video, check out the website. All of our products are handcrafted with natural materials, so you can get the most natural experience possible. You can see the video of our production, so you will understand how much work we put in that, and you can see the product on our website to see if you visually like it, so you can improve your style and health. So see you.